Hi guys, welcome to our channel Be Fit with Arvind. This is a random vlog. I thought of creating a random vlog because we came to a Burjuman mall and I saw a wintertale and I thought okay, let's show you this vlog and this journey. So hope you enjoy this whole journey and let's get started. Today we came to Burjuman. Basically, they have here the Christmas wintertale village, Burjuman wintertale village. So I'll just walk you through the whole village. Cheese. Okay. Now, where did we come? Where did we come? Come, let's go. Show me what it is. Ooh. What is this? This is Christmas tree. They have a strong effect. Laksh, ఏమొచ్చింది దాంట్లోంచి? What did it come? Huh? the snow. They created a snow effect. This is a snowman. So touch the deer. What is that snowman? Where is the snowman? That's a snowman. Okay, Laksh is showing a snowman. He wants a snowman. Huh? Say Merry Christmas. Entry without mask. So there is a wintertale sale is going on. You can go and enjoy. You can see a splash. Laksh.
This is the ground floor. This is the first floor. This is the second floor. This is the third floor. This is the baby area. Where did Laksh play? Where Laksh plays? This area. This area is a magic planet where Papa plays. The play area. That is a play area. Play area will come tomorrow.
So Laksh is shopping for his mom. So he's actually selecting hairband for mom. What are you doing, Laksh? Laksh, what are you doing? Laksh, what are you doing? You're doing shopping for mama? Yes?
You're shopping Nanu.
So nice, Nanu. You know where to keep.
You will go?
Let's go. Hairband. Where did we come, Laksh? How was the ride? అది ఆడతాం నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ రైడ్ ఎలా ఉందో చెప్పు. How was the ride? It was nice. So Laksh is having ice cream. What you are eating, Laksh? Huh? How is ice cream?
Yummy.
Did you like ice cream? this is the place we went, guys. So what is this place, Laksh? Burjuman Wintertale. This is a place. This whole vlog is about Laksh and his play area, his Christmas trees, etc, etc, etc. So Laksh had a great time or no? Laksh, did you had a great time? What did you do? Laksh, what did you do? Did you play? No? Wait, are you coming?
No, don't come. Excuse me. Whose kid is this? The escalator is there. Please don't leave alone.
Laksh is angry on me because I asked him to get down from the stroller. That's why he's angry. Now he's not gonna give the end note to this video. But Laksh is saying after you come back from outside, what you need to do, Laksh? What we need to do, Laksh? We need to wash. What we need to do, baby? Buddy baby? That's all for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it and keep tuning it for our channel for more and more vlogs. So see you. Arvind signing off. Yes. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hope you enjoyed our vlog. If you still didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon. See you. Bye. See you in next video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and keep sharing this video and keep spread the love. I love you all.